In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link an email to a contact form in Wix. This is a crucial skill for anyone managing a website on Wix, as it allows you to have direct communication with visitors who use your contact form. By the end of this guide, you'll have your contact form set up to notify you via email whenever someone reaches out. A simple yet effective way to maintain engagement with your audience. First things first, you'll need to create or log in to your Wix account. It's easy. Just head over to the Wix website, enter your credentials, and you're good to go. Now, assuming you have a website in mind, you can either open an existing project or, if inspiration strikes, start a fresh site from scratch. Either way, the process remains straightforward. With your site open, direct your attention to the left side of your screen and locate the plus button. Clicking this will open a slew of options. Among these choices, you want to select Contacts and Forms. This feature is your gateway to adding fully customizable contact forms to your web page. Now, you'll see a variety of form templates at your disposal. Take your time to browse through them and decide which one fits the aesthetic and functionality you envision for your site. Once you've picked the perfect form, simply drag it onto your page. It's as easy as drag and drop, letting you position it wherever you think it will be most effective for your visitors. Next, it's time to dive into the form settings, your primary tool for customization. This is where you can adjust the specifics to match your preferences. So, click on Form Settings to begin this tweaking process. Once in the form settings, you'll want to navigate to Email Notifications. This is a crucial step because it's how you'll ensure every message sent through your form lands directly in your inbox. After clicking on Email Notifications, you'll be prompted to set notifications. This is essentially where you let Wix know which email address should receive the form submissions. Before you wrap things up, double-check that all the details, particularly your email address, are correct. Believe me, there's nothing more frustrating than realizing you've missed a potential connection because of a typo. So, take a moment to confirm that everything is in order. And there you have it. Your Wix site is now equipped to send email notifications directly from your contact form, ensuring you never miss an important visitor message again. By following these steps, you're not just setting up a contact form, you're enhancing your site's communication capabilities, paving the way for more effective interaction with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy site building!